Hey everyone, welcome back to Martin James Designs. I've been talking about it for a long time, but I've finally put it on the lift. That 2009 Harley Davidson Dyna is officially getting worked on right now. This is the first episode, and I'll give you guys a little tour of the bike and let you know what the whole plans are for it. I got my twin brother here. So he's going to be riding this bike. I'm gonna build it for him, get it all dialed in. Okay, so this is gonna be my brother's bike. It's a 2009 Harley Davidson Dyna StreetBob. I started to take the bike apart before I moved into my shop. So we've already removed the exhaust, we've removed the battery, we've removed some of the other components, the air cleaner, things like that, forward controls. So it's already been started to be assembled, and I had a plan with it originally, but we've changed the whole design now because my brother decided to take this bike on. So some of the plans we have for it are...
Still picking out colors for the gas tank and the fenders.
What are you thinking color-wise?
I was thinking matte gloss mix and white components, matte white. I know the rims for sure, which we got already.
Yeah, we'll show you guys the rims in a minute here.
Yeah, motor all black. Everything's gonna be black, everything.
We're gonna pull the whole engine, high heat paint all the engine components, but all of the covers, the trans cover, the primary cover on the other side, the cam cover, they're all gonna be powder coated. Dakota digital gauge going in.
We're gonna do the Thunderbike fender, chopped fender.
Which is coming from Germany. We got that on order.
Custom seat.
Yeah, and it comes with a custom seat, and it has built-in LED lights on that fender, and it's designed for a 200 tire. So we'll be putting a 200 tire on this bike. Yeah, and then we have an S&S air cleaner, the teardrop gloss black. We have brand new rims and tires by DNA Specialty. We custom ordered them. Going to be putting a new LED headlight in, completely powder coating the entire front of the bike all black. Fabricating the fender to be reshaped because we have a 21-inch rim.
You're lowering the rear?
Yeah, we're lowering the rear with the Burley slammers. New bars, new grips, basically stripping the whole bike down to the frame. Some of the parts that have arrived. Jolly, you want to show them the rims?
Yeah.
There they are. These are sweet. So that's the rear.
DNA Specialty 18 on a 200.
That's going to be the nice 21. And Jai went with gloss. What do we got? Gloss black.
And gloss white.
Gloss white nipples with gloss black spokes. We went with the black as well. So those are going to look pretty sharp. We did a front and rear. So there you have it. It's finally on the lift. I'm getting the first episode out. We're going to start taking this bike apart and stripping it down so we can get parts ready for powder coat, which we'll be doing here in the shop. We'll be painting this bike here in the shop as well. All the fabrication, all the engine work, we're going to do everything in-house. So it's going to be a fun little project. So let's start taking this thing apart. Okay, we got probably about a half a tank that's full, and with these Dynas, the line goes underneath the main subframe or the frame. So we have to disconnect one of this part and hook another 3/8 line and drain the fuel out as quick as possible without making too much of a mess. and then we can get this gas tank pulled. So we're gonna do that.
Could if I have another.
Here, actually, just wait. I'll put a knife. I'll use a knife and start to score it. You know what I mean? You just pull this bucket.
Yeah. And then pull the bucket.
Yeah, and I'll pull this off and click it in.
Okay.
That's the best one I've done yet. Okay, just had another 3/8 line, cut that off. My brother pinched the other side and I just popped it on there. And then now we're just using that 3/8 line to drain all the gas out, or the fuel. And it didn't even make that much of a mess, just a little bit there. Just a water fountain. Smells so good. Yum, yum, yum. Like that, just okay. Now start. Okay, can you pull it off? Done. Anything else connected to it?
Do I have it?
Yeah. I got her stripped down. The next step is to pull the engine, which Dennis is going to come over tomorrow and do that. So I think I'm going to leave it here for this episode, but I'll give you guys a quick little rundown on where we're at. I've disconnected everything. I've labeled all of the numbers just to be extra safe. Make sure I get every one of them. I haven't pulled an engine before, so I just want to make sure that I'm connecting everything properly when I put it back in. So I've basically have everything disconnected, ready for the engine to come out. So that's the next step that I'm going to be working on the next episode. So you guys will see that come together. Now I have all the parts completely labeled. As you can see, fork bolts, horn, brake caliper, all of these things are going to be powder coated. I'm going to powder coat all the bolt heads. Take a lot of extra time to do a good job. I got all like the Ford controls, the rocker boxes, cam cover, tran cover, everything's here ready to go. These are the original gaskets, but we're going to totally be installing brand new gaskets so we won't be using those. So I'm going to start cleaning all these parts as well on the next episode and getting ready to start powder coating. And then some of the parts have started to come in. So the rims and tires are in. We got the air cleaner, the rotors, handlebars, slammer, rear suspension. And then these are the parts that we're going to be painting. So the gas tank, the front fender, and the center console. But we're waiting for the rear fender from Thunderbike Customs, coming from Germany. So we're a little bit still waiting for that. It's been about 2 months, so hopefully that gets here soon. All right, that's it for this episode. I did get the episode out. This bike is fully underway. I'm not going to stop until it's completed, so episodes are going to be coming out frequently. I just want to thank all you guys for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, ask any questions. I like answering them for you guys. You guys are going to see this bike come together quick. I want to get my brother on the road for the spring, so stay tuned for episode 2. Catch you on the next one.